Welcome to my honest review of CourtListener, a leading free legal research tool designed to make accessing legal information easier and more efficient. CourtListener is part of the Free Law Project and offers a comprehensive database of legal opinions from various courts, including the United States Supreme Court, federal appellate courts, and even some state courts. It's an excellent resource for legal professionals, researchers, and students looking for reliable legal references. When you first visit the CourtListener website, you'll notice its clean and straightforward interface. The homepage highlights a search bar, allowing users to quickly look up cases, judges, or citations. Below the search bar, there are links to key features like opinion summaries, advanced search options, and the Recap Archive, which houses documents from the federal court's PACER system. The search functionality is robust and user-friendly. You can search by keywords, case names, or even docket numbers. One standout feature is the advanced search, which lets you filter by court, date range, or type of opinion, making it much easier to narrow down results when dealing with large datasets. Another impressive tool is the citation analysis feature, which provides detailed insights into how specific cases have been cited over time. This is particularly useful for legal professionals who need to understand the precedential value of a case. You'll also find links to related cases and judicial opinions, which streamline the research process further. CourtListener's opinion summaries are concise yet thorough, offering a quick overview of a case without needing to dive into lengthy legal texts. For those who want the full document, it's easily downloadable in various formats. The Recap Archive is another gem, giving users access to federal court documents that would otherwise require payment through PACER. One of the highlights of CourtListener is its focus on accessibility and openness. The platform is entirely free and open source, aligning with its mission to provide open access to legal information. This makes it a valuable resource not only for legal professionals, but also for journalists, academics, and anyone interested in the legal system. Throughout my experience, I found the site responsive and easy to navigate, even when working with large volumes of data. However, there are some limitations. For example, coverage of state court opinions is not as comprehensive as federal courts, and some documents may take time to load. Despite these minor drawbacks, CourtListener remains an indispensable tool for those in the legal field. If you're looking for a reliable, free, and user-friendly platform for legal research, CourtListener is definitely worth exploring. It saves time, offers a wealth of resources, and simplifies the often complex process of legal research. Thank you for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and tips on legal research tools.